What is the spelling of Python?
This
Okay.
is
Python. Okay.
this is Python.
Oh, great.
Okay? And we are going to do programming language. Okay?
Okay, Python is a programming language.
Yes.
Good.
And coding also.
Coding. Okay.
And we are going to do Print. Okay?
What is
Print.
this?
Print.
Okay, what
And
is what?
now we have to do like that. Rams. It's my name, okay? Okay?
So what print will do?
Print will do key. You will do Rams. Then it will come like Rams.
Okay. It will print Riyansh. Yes? Suppose I want to print my name, Alok Mishra.
Okay. I'll print, okay?
So how I will print?
I'll write.
What
I'm going to write next print, okay?
Okay.
Print. Print. ALOK. Print Alok. Now Alok will come.
Oh, that's great. So print is output function.
Yes.
What is this?
Single code.
Okay. Now next. What you are going to print?
See?
Oh.
Print Mama. Then Mama will come.
Okay.
Bye, kids.
Come here. Come and say to bye.
Bye. See you next day. Take care. Now you have to do good programming language in kindergarten. Okay? From Delhi I am. Okay? And do Python preparation like me. How I write in senior KG. I'm in senior KG class.
And how old are you?
I
4 years.
am. Listen. See.
Why you are writing 5 years? 4 years, 5 months.
I am 5 years.
Okay, you are MSM kid?
Yes.
Okay, fine.